We'll create an outline for a persuasive essay on a couple of topics. So I've opened a new Google Sheet and I've installed and enabled Sheet GPT. If you need to learn how to install and enable Sheet GPT, check the link in the comments. So I've got a little table here with 3 column headings: topic, for, and against. And I've got a couple of topics. The first one is the voting age should be raised to 25, and high school students should be required to take 1 year of a foreign language before they graduate. And so for the first topic, the voting age should be raised to 25. I've typed a formula in the for column, $GPT, open parentheses, quotation mark, generate an outline for a persuasive essay in favor of this topic, colon, quotation mark, and I'm going to click up in this space to finish it. So I'll do space, ampersand, which is Shift 7, and I will use as the cell reference the cell that says the voting age should be 25, and close parentheses, and I press enter. And now I've got an outline for a persuasive essay on the topic, the voting age should be raised to 25. And now let's do the formula against this topic, the voting age should be raised to 25. So I'm going to click and double click in that cell. So my formula is $GPT, parentheses, quotation mark, generate an outline for a persuasive essay against this topic, colon, quotation mark, and after quotation mark I'll type a space, and now I'll type ampersand and click in that cell that has the topic in it. Let's put a space between the ampersand and B5. Maybe let's get the close parentheses a little closer to B5. Now let's press enter. And the new outline will load. So now I've got an outline for a persuasive essay against raising the voting age to 25. Now I've still got this other topic down here about high school students should be required to take 1 year of a foreign language before they graduate. If I want to get the for and against outlines for this topic, I'm just going to select those 2 cells and point my cursor at that blue dot, and it turns into a cross, and drag down 1 row and wait for a moment as the outlines load. And now I've got outlines for and against the topic, high school students should be required to take 1 year of a foreign language before they graduate. And the text of this outline is bleeding across the sheet, so I'm going to click on the very first cell that contains the text that's run on, and now I'm going to go up and tap on text wrapping and choose wrap, and let's drag out this column width a little bit. And now each of the outlines is contained in its own cell.